Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test whether your headset microphone is working on Windows 11. So, if you're not sure whether Windows can hear your microphone, here's an easy way to check it. First, make sure your headset is properly connected to your computer. Then open the Start menu and search for Sound Settings. Click Sound Settings to open it. Under Output, make sure your headphones or headset are selected as the device you want Windows to play sound through. Next, scroll down to the Input section. Here, select the microphone that belongs to your headset. Make sure you choose your actual headset microphone rather than another built-in microphone on your laptop. Once you've selected it, click the arrow next to the microphone to open its properties. Scroll down until you find Microphone Test. Click Start Test. Now speak normally into your headset microphone for a few seconds. When you're finished, click Stop Test. You can then click play under the recorded sample to hear exactly what your microphone sounds like. If you can hear your voice clearly, your headset microphone is working. You can also adjust the input volume on this page if your microphone sounds too quiet. If Windows isn't detecting any sound, make sure your headset isn't muted and check that the correct microphone is selected. You can also go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access and access for the apps you want to use are turned on. Once your microphone is working properly here, it should also be available in apps such as Discord, Zoom, games, and other programs that use your microphone. And that's how to test your headset microphone on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.